children, let's today start with chapter number 12, the world of growing knowledge. So in this chapter, I will tell you about different things like story of writing, writing of number, how paper we use for writing, and the invention of printing. So let's start with the chapter now. So early humans began learn about things around by observation, experimentation. They could not remember everything, so they felt the need of develop a method of recording their knowledge, which could easily be passed to the next generation. Thus, it began the art of drawing, painting, and writing. So, the history of writing. What is history? Knowledge did not start and spread till development of writing. देखो जो नॉलेज थी ना तो वो स्टार्ट हुई ना उसका डेवलपमेंट हुआ जब तक उसका एक रिटन फॉर्म नहीं आया, राइट? भाई अगर आपको इस चीज़ की नॉलेज है तो दूसरा कैसे सीखेगा? तो आपको किस चीज़ पे लिख के मतलब आपको इन्वेंट करना पड़ेगा। जैसे आपके पास बुक्स है तो किसी के पास नॉलेज थी उसने लिखे, आप उससे ही क्या कर रहे हो? नॉलेज गेन कर रहे हो, राइट? सो Mesopotamia developed a cuneiform writing in one of the earliest writing system in the world. In this writing, picture signs were drawn on clay tablets. क्ले टैबलेट्स पे आपके साइन सिंबल्स को बनाया गया, राइट? सो cuneiform writing, what it was used to record variety of information such as temple activities, business, trade. It was also used to write stories, myths, personal letter. इसमें आप stories लिखते थे, myths लिखते थे, personal letters लिखते थे, right? A time passed at a certain point in the history about 5,000 years ago. Egyptians, people who lived in Africa along the banks of Nile River, made lots of picture on paper and clay. उन्होंने क्या करा? बहुत सारे pictures paper पे, clay पे बनानी start करी. And what happened? The stone came near a river bank. एक बार क्या हुआ कि river bank के आसपास एक stone आया and paper was made by from papyrus plant, a reed that grew near the river. और जो first painted pictures जो आपको दिखने को मिलते पेपर पे with brush and then used a pen to write a picture message, this pictorial script came to be known as hieroglyph. क्या कहते हैं इसको हम? Hieroglyphics. As in the other great early civilization around 2500 BC, Indus Valley civilization also developed a writing form which has been found carved on the thousands of sea. जो किसकी बनी थी? Which is made of statite or soapstone, but the script was not been deciphered even today. लेकिन आज तक भी वो हमें दिखाई नहीं दी. So we can say that the last of the early civilization to develop writing was in China. China में develop हुई when about 1600 BC, and China devised a system which evolved as a working script and is used today. So these are the Chinese characters. ये क्या थे? आपके Chinese characters थे. This method of writing facilitated the development of the script for an entirely different language. और वो क्या थी आपके different language? That was Japanese, right? These are the Chinese character and these are the Japanese character. So in some more time, the phonics that created with the Egyptian learned their pictographical script. उन्होंने pictorial जो script थी वो सीखना start करा and they become the first people to develop Phoenician system of writing and use letter. और इन्होंने letter use करना start करे but they wrote only consonant. उनको खाली consonants पता थे. Then we have writings of numbers. धीरे धीरे क्या हुआ? Numbers का development हुआ. Early men used to hunt animal. वो animals को hunt करते थे. He needed to identify and count their number. He used the system of drawing and later on his 10 fingers to count from 1 to 10. फिर word क्या करा उसने? अपनी 10 fingers का use करा 10 count करने के लिए. Even today this system of counting of fingers is popular. This method of counting was developed in India. And later, who adopted it? Arabs, Romans, and Europeans. And the Romans used 7 letters to write numbers, and these were MC, MD, CLX, V, and I. This system is taught in school even today. हम Roman number सीखते ना, वही system है. The number system that we use today, वो क्या है? आपका Hindu Arabic system है. And this system of number is used all over the world. Ancient scholar Aryabhatta invented zero, which made counting possible and most difficult calculation easy. And Arabics they took this system of numbers from 0 to 9 to Europe, and we should be proud of contribution made by our country. जो भी contribution आपकी country ने बनाया है Next is paper for writing. We are using paper for writing, right? So the name paper, it comes from papyrus. Papyrus, what it is? It is a stem of plant used by Egyptians to make paper. About 4,000 years ago, and Chinese made the actual paper that is now used by us. जो हम use कर रहे हैं वो Chinese ने बनाया. They made it from the bark of tree. The banks were made to pulp and the pulp was spread out of sheet to dry. फिर जो wood का pulp होता था उसको हम use करते थे paper बनाने. Nowadays, in order to save tree, eco-friendly books are made. ठीक है, eco-friendly books हम बना रहे हैं, जैसे आपकी bag base, which comes from sugarcane and not tree. Now, invention of printing. In 1440, a man named John Gutenberg. He revolutionized the way को revolutionize करा कि how he invented a device जिससे वो utilize कर सका है movable type using blocks with pre-printed text. This method combined with the use of paper, ink and a printing press, it allowed the mass production of books, and Gutenberg's most famous project with his new invention was the printing of the Bibles. His were the first Bible printed in Europe. By 15th century, things began to change with the advent of the printing press. And however, the literacy rate did not improve much till the introduction of Frankfurt Book Fair. So what happened? Frankfurt was an early center for printing, and so it started to sponsor a book fair which drew publishers, booksellers, collectors, scholars, they did. So after the printed book, what happened? Quickly, you can say it became a regular object in the world, and by 1501, thousands printed shops in Europe which has produced 35,000 titles and 20 million copies. Right? This was all about the introduction of paper and knowledge. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we will meet in next class. Thank you.